All right, what's good, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. I uh I just minted some nifty nanas. Nifty nana. Gotta join the Discord, see what's going on. The nifty nanas are kind of dope. All right, how's everyone doing? How's the music volume? Everything good? We ready to rock? Oh yeah, the Sacred Star is interesting with the irrelevance. What's up, Mr. Wassifier, sir? We're about to sip some chalky milk and get started, am I right? Well, the market's looking great. Our soul trade is playing out really, really well. FTT still hanging on, but Bitcoin has absolutely stolen the show. So we'll talk about all that stuff. We'll talk about some NFTs. I did mint some of these bananas just now, so we'll see what happens with them. Sorry guys, give me a sec. Alright. Am I minting a jungle freak? I think it's just gonna be a gas war. And also, isn't that right now? I think I missed it. I thought I missed it. But, okay, we'll get started with the stream. First of all, shout out to Bybit, my preferred derivatives trading exchange. Shout out to Trader Joe, the swap on Avalanche. They're doing some really great stuff. And since we're all in crypto, we all know how important VPNs are. So if you want the best deal on the best VPN, you can check the link in the description. I think it's like 2 years and 4 months free for $89, which is like $3 a month. So a pretty great deal. So let's start with Bitcoin. We can probably talk about some NFT stuff later. So Bitcoin, I mean, since the last stream, I think we were right around here. Actually, yeah, it was definitely here because we just saw this candle, and that's when we were streaming. And I was saying as long as Monday's low holds, then it should be looking pretty good. We retested it. This low held, didn't get tested, and then I was saying if we push above this 58K-ish level, break above this top, then I think this is going to really send. And, I mean, the squiggly kind of speaks for itself, I guess. It retested that pretty much perfectly and pushed up from there. So that's pretty dang good. If we do pull back, though, like I wouldn't look for leverage longs up here. I think it's kind of overextended. I mean, that doesn't mean it can't keep going higher, but when I look for a leverage long, I need either consolidation or a pullback, and like this was the opportunity to long it, this sweep or this retest or this retest. All right, those were your 3 opportunities to long it, and like now is probably getting closer to when you would want to take profit. So last stream we were talking about how after we break above this level, this one right here truly is that like last line of defense before we print all-time highs. So we are rejecting into that right now, but not a huge deal. I think if we get some kind of a pullback back to this weekly SR level, I think we long that, because you can see we had nice consolidation here. We got Monday's high, we got weekly SR, a lot of good stuff here. So this looks solid. And yeah, I would say the pullback is the next long plan. I don't think anyone should be FOMOing in right here, just because, I mean, since the first long opportunity, this is up 12%, and it did go up 15, and since the second one, it's up 10 or went up 10. So it's like, I don't think you need to chase it right now with leverage, because if you do, it's just going to take one pullback to like shake you out. So that's kind of the plan right now. Maybe we take out this low right here. Let me clean some of this up really quick. So yeah, maybe we get some kind of a pullback, take out that low, stay above the weekly SR, and then boom. And I bet our 618 fib level to 705 is somewhere right in there. So let's see. It's probably lower, huh? That's okay. A little lower. Right there though, pretty close. So that's some extra confluence. Guys, we might have to buy some of these nifty nanas on secondary right when they list, because they are getting some hype. So I have the Discord open in my other screen. They're not on a secondary mark yet. Are we expecting rejection? I mean, not necessarily. I'm just saying if we get something like this, I would long. I don't want to long right here because we've been going straight up. If we pull back and do something like this, then I will then I'll look for some longs. Does that make sense? So I'm not saying this has to pull back right here or whatever. I'm just saying if it does, then I like the long opportunity. Does that make sense, everybody? They're not listed on a market yet, but I'm keeping an eye out. No worries, BMX. Can you still get into my Discord? You know what? We should give away 100 Discord spots at the end of the stream. I'm gonna tweet that. I just realized I was on mute this entire time. So that's kind of funny. Sorry about that. I don't even know when I stopped talking. I just tweeted that we're going to post a 100 use Discord invite at the end of the stream. And yeah, Gecko holders can get into the Discord at any time. But I will post a invite link in the chat. So we'll do that. We'll do that towards the end of the stream. Free Discord, no strings attached. Just be active. I'll prune people every now and then. But yeah. You heard me? Don't wipe us lurkers out of the Discord. If you ever get... I'm pretty sure it's like if you don't open Discord in a week. Like if you never open your Discord. Not even like type anything. Oh, I only went silent for 10 seconds. I think it's because I started typing, and I was like, I don't want to annoy people with the sound of the typing, so I quickly muted it and then just forgot. So, banana holders only. Nanas, nifty nanas. They're actually kind of cool. Like, they look kind of cute, and a bunch of people in the Monkey DAO minted them, so you'd think they will do pretty well. We'll see. Do you guys want to see the nanas that I minted? Actually, we should keep doing some TA, because that's what most people come here for. Ethereum held the weekly open nicely. I think you could have entered like some kind of breakout trade or something like that when we broke this downtrend, but I didn't trade this. I had SOL exposure, so I just stuck with that. This was the long we talked about in the last stream. I think we were on stream when I drew this. Yeah. So it looks like our stream was right around here. And I basically said if it pulls back to this region, I'll be looking for some longs. And then we got that. I tweeted in the Discord. I posted in the Discord when I entered it, and then also tweeted so I could try and tell you guys in real time when that happened. Cute plus Monkey DAO plus Nanas equals success. So it's low IQ and high IQ market again. No money for mid IQs. Honestly, low key. And I like to think I'm on the left side of that bell curve. Can I see Bitcoin retesting 53K? Yeah, I could. I could see that. I think you give it a shot at longing here if the opportunity presents itself. But I could see Bitcoin wiping out this entire consolidation here, where it like wicks that and then we resume. Because, if you guys are watching the stream, you've probably been around. And like maybe we get something like this, maybe not quite that drastic. Like maybe something like this, where we wipe out a bunch of these lows with one wick and then continue going up. But this isn't just going to go vertical indefinitely. At least I don't think it will. So I could see something like that. Yeah. Can you answer my question from above? Have a low leverage BTC trade from 56. I don't think Bitcoin drops to 42, but you never know, man. I can't really tell you how to manage your trade. If put your stop loss wherever you think your invalidation is. If you're having trouble sleeping at night because Bitcoin might nuke, then that's a good sign that you should probably take some profit. So we'll see. I think that's always a good sign, though. I think that is always like a good sign that you should take some profit. Like if you're risking so much profit that you're having trouble sleeping, then it's a good time to TP. All right, we got to keep an eye out for when this link drops. If people are dumping their nanas for cheap, for like 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, I might try and scoop some more of them. No problem, Joe. I hope that was helpful. So, guys, pretty funny. One of my normie friends who I didn't think was into crypto posted a gecko on his Instagram story, and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, what are the odds of that? He really put, and it wasn't because of me. Like, he didn't see me post anything about it. I haven't posted about geckos like on my Instagram or anything like that, but yeah, pretty insane. So that was the crazy thing that happened to me today. Banana's so cheap. They minted at 0.25 and they sold out in like 7 minutes. So it's like they didn't go that quick, you know? I don't know when the secondary market is going to go, but right when they post the link in their Discord, then I will start looking, and I'll update you guys. Cryptos are a scam, but this gecko looks sick. Can I chart nanas? I wish, man. I wish I could chart some nanas. But yeah, so back to some TA stuff. I figure we should keep talking a little bit more TA stuff, because once they post that link for the nanas, we might get busy just aping some nanas on secondary. Better not be a top signal. I don't think it is. So here's the thing with NFTs. Man, here I go again talking about NFTs when I'm trying to talk about TA. But the thing is, like, I've posted some NFT stuff on my story, and people like still think that they're a joke. Like, I posted my Infinite being up in times, or no, I posted a picture or a video of my Infinite a long time ago, and I was like, how much would you pay for this? And people were like, $1, like, I don't think it's cool, but like, people just don't get NFTs. And then it was kind of funny, because then later I posted on my Instagram story when I went to Times Square to see my Infinite up on one of those screens, and then posted it again, and people were like, I still don't understand these NFTs, like, it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, that because of that, I don't think it's a top signal for NFTs. I think the general public is still majorly sleeping on NFTs. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's not the Jeffrey. Yeah, I posted an NFT on Facebook and people laughed. That's how it is, man. They still don't get it. And until people on like Facebook and Instagram are like, oh my gosh, NFTs are the next big thing, like, once the majority is thinking that, then people are going to get pretty rinsed. So for now, I think we're still safe. And it kind of like gets me a little too excited when I think about it this way, but it really could be like Bitcoin in like 2013. Because it's at the point where people, like, they just don't understand it. They neglect it. They think it's not going to amount to anything. And that's like the stage we're in, and that's how Bitcoin was in 2013. But then 2017 is when everyone was like, okay, Bitcoin's actually kind of sick. Like, I want to hold some of this, and that's when the run up to 20K like nuked, when everyone got rugged. When do I plan to sell my NFTs? I think that's largely collection based. But yeah, I mean, exit plan for NFTs is a little bit tricky to know exactly. I mean, I think you could have some numbers in mind where it's like, okay, if it gets to this, I should like sell one of them or something like that. But yeah, we can talk about that as time goes on. But okay, back to Soul, because I keep saying I'm going to talk about TA, and then, nobody likes a hit song till it's played on the radio. True that. I think Infinites are going to be huge. That's one of my most bullish, like, long-term plays. Okay, Soul. We were looking for a retest of this region. A lot of stuff lined up really well. So basically, we swept Monday's low here, then broke market structure, and we wanted a retest to get long. We got that retest. We executed, got in the position, all good. But one of the reasons this was such a good level is because it was this 12-hour demand, as well as this like 135 SR level. So we got the sweep into that demand, and then after that we got the break in market structure, and because of that we were able to put our stop loss at this low instead of like at the bottom here. So by waiting, like, we didn't catch the bottom, but we got a good position size because the stop loss was 6% away. So like, even if we just bid this level, if we left limits here and had our stop loss at the edge of this, it would have been a smaller position size. So, and I think the likelihood of it playing out is lower if you're just bidding this level. But we waited for that break in market structure. We waited for the retest. We got it all. That's when we enter with higher conviction. And I probably could have put the stop loss like here or something like that, but I didn't want to get too greedy. And sometimes I kind of psych myself out mentally if my stop loss is too tight. And then we got a really good push off of this level, hit Monday's high again, so that acted as resistance 3 separate times, and then retested the weekly open to the tick, and then ripped from there. I think the squiggly that I put on my other chart was just super clean. Yeah, look at that. So we were looking for the original stab into this level right here, got that, and then right there we were looking for the flip of the weekly open, and that happened right here. So that played out really nicely. We were looking for something similar on AVAX, and it wasn't quite as clean because it went above, then it lost that level, but still held Monday's low. And now it's like trying to hold that level once again. But AVAX is more so just consolidating right now. Only a few altcoins have performed particularly well. So I don't think like alts are the play. I think Bitcoin is. And that's why, like we talked about it in the last stream, that if Bitcoin does this, well, I guess I deleted it now. But what I drew, when I had this drawn, I was like, if Bitcoin does this, you need to get yourself some Bitcoin exposure, because that's going to do better than any of the alt setups that we were looking for. So just wanted to lay that out there as we look through a few of the other things. Let's see. I mean, I don't think we talked about too many. We looked at Link because I know Rexproof was bullish on Link. and it played out nicely. Nice support held from the monthly and quarterly open right here, and we've just been vibing ever since. But I think that was pretty much it. I mean, the main plans we were looking for were AVAX and Sol. Sol was the only one that triggered for me. I didn't take any other trade. Well, I took the Bitcoin trade and the Sol trade. So, I mean, not bad. I don't think now is a bad time to get into alts. Like, if I'm holding spot alts, I'm not switching that for Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin just went on that run. Like, I think it could keep going, but if you didn't get into Bitcoin earlier, I don't think you sell low on your alts and then do it now. I'm still looking for leverage longs on alts because I do think they are like still good opportunities. And like there will be outliers. Like look, Sol is up just as much. Oh, they're live. Floor is 0.35. Let's see. Should we buy some? Should we buy some more nanas? Yeah, they're live on Magic Eden. Okay. I'm gonna do some of this on my other screen. Well, I guess we can do it together. I'll just like copy and paste to another tab. So, like I was saying though, this one looks kind of rare. Oh, did it get bought already? Dude, Magic Eden is like super slow. I did not mean to do that. Some people are gonna puke, so I'll just wait actually. But we'll keep an eye on it. I'll put it on my other screen so I can keep an eye on it, but let's see. What was I saying? Oh yeah. I think some alts are still going to perform well and provide good opportunities like we saw with Sol. Sol has done just as well as Bitcoin today, but it's not like that's the norm like with every NFT right now. Like on this screen or whatever, on my main watch list, only a couple things are up 7%. Like GRT, sure, Cope, Sol, and Bitcoin. And that's it. So, dude, I don't get when people like buy an NFT or mint it for 0.25 and then this guy is selling it for 0.6. Or sorry, 0.26. Like how down bad is this guy? Listed it for 0.9. After 2 minutes, he cancels it, lists it for 0.38. After 2 more minutes, he cancels it and lists it for 0.35. After 1 minute, he cancels it and lists it for 0.26. Like, come on, bro. That's horrible. Do I prefer Sol over ETH for NFTs? I think the like big main blue chips and stuff are still on ETH, but I think there's a lot of hype with Sol NFTs right now, and that provides a lot of opportunity. Try and buy this one with nunchucks. Nope, someone else got it. Man, these are going fast. I mean, if you miss the mint, I feel like buying at 0.3 is kind of the move, you know? So you kind of just have to look for something that's rare and then buy it immediately. Like be click and refresh. Here, one with a Solana or rainbow colored background just showed up and I just bought it. Sorry, I don't have the chat up right now, so I can't see if you guys are saying anything. Alright, I'm gonna send like 2 Sol to a different wallet and we can try and buy some of these together. What wallet did I just send that to? Oh no. I think it was this one. Was it that one? Nope. 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 Was it this one? Okay, I found it. Okay. Alright. Let's buy some nanas together. Alright, people. Nifty nanas. Connect. I think we have 2 Sol in here. 2.06. Alright. So basically the idea, and these could go to 0 for all I care. See, like this is red. That looks a little rare to me, so we'll see if we can buy this. Alright. So we got that one. And then you kind of just refresh till something rare pops up. And you can start kind of determining what you think is rare by what shows up. Like maybe the cowboy hat if you like that. This little artist guy looks kind of fun. I don't know, because the monkey DAO aped into these, I feel like it's not a bad call to get some. So I think I've bought like 3 more at 0.3 Sol. Something like that. Sir Wen TA. Are these angel wings? I think those are rare. Oh, it got bought. Alright, the wings got bought like immediately. Pirate hat looks kind of rare. This little devil guy looks kind of rare too. Maybe he's not. We got him. Alright. See, sometimes you don't even need to mint successfully. You just need to scoop some on secondary right away. That looks rare. Let's go. It could go to 0. Yeah, it could go to 0. Literally any NFT could go to 0, man. Any coin could go to 0 too. It's less likely with, I mean, it's not going to happen with like Bitcoin and stuff, but in theory. That looks kind of rare. Give me a dinosaur hat. Alright. One had a rainbow crown. That does sound pretty cool. That looks like a skeleton. This will be the last one if I get it. Dang it. We missed it. But see, stuff like that. That's kind of how I look to buy some of these right after they mint. Was that a cowboy hat with 3D glasses? I think he got bought. I do like the 3D glasses. But let's see if we can get something. I think rare bodies are where the more money is. That guy looks kind of clean. Sir Wen TA. Soon. Give me a sec, you guys. I'm using Phantom. You listed your rainbow robot wing for 10 Sol. Alright, let me go buy it from you really quick. I'm just kidding. See, like this red one looks a little more rare than the plain ones. Yeah, that got bought already for 0.3. So stuff is getting bought pretty instantly at 0.3. So I feel like those are pretty safe, at least for now. This guy looks kind of fun. So like if these go to 1 soul or 2 soul floor or something, then cool, make a little profit. If they go to 0, I lose like 1 soul or 2 soul. Why am I not in Dubai? Because my wedding anniversary was like this past week, so there was no way I was going to be able to run off to Dubai during that. All right, we'll look for one more. What did we spend? We got 4. Take a quick screenshot. Send it to one of my buddies. Send it in the Discord. Look at that, guys. We're starting to see the floor go up a little. It's at least getting close to like 0.32. If I one more, then we'll get back to oh, come on. Dang it, bro. I want one of those skull ones. We've only seen 2, so I feel like those are pretty solid. Does this is this like helpful for you guys to see how I kind of play NFTs right after they launch? Alright, one sec, I gotta do something. So here's the thing, guys. Actually, I don't remember what the thing is. I thought I was going to say something and I forgot. Bro, what? DJ, one of the guys in my Discord, just said, I think I accidentally scooped up a Kaleo honorary. That one looks sick. That one was really clean. Oh, this is what I was going to say when I said, so here's the thing. A lot of people on crypto Twitter who trade like aren't into NFTs yet, but I feel like there's just so much opportunity there that it's worth getting into it. Dino. This one will probably get bought. Yep, it already got bought for 0.35. Is there a front page or something where you can see upcoming mints? Not really. I mean, actually, there's I forgot what it's called. Honestly, most of the stuff I find is like through Twitter, through talking with people on Twitter, things like that. Man, I really hope these nanas end up working out because we're just live scalping some nanas. What is my life? Okay, let's see this. Let's see the floor on this fire background. Okay, 0.5, we like it. Oh, you can also, okay, here's another thing I do, which I don't know if I should tell you guys because then you'll start doing it too and it'll stop working for me. But sometimes I'll go look at like certain characteristics that are rare. So let's put on alien, let's put on devil. Oh, devil's pretty rare. Shoot. Look at that. The floor on devil is 0.6 and we bought like 2 of them. Or 3? No, we bought 2. Oh no, that was an accident. So we're going to do devil, we're going to do skull, and we're going to do alien. Hide that. And then I just refresh this. And it's like, if you see someone list one of these, so you can like pretty clearly see the devil floor is around 0.6, alien 0.7, skull 0.9. So if they list one of those like at 0.35, then I'll try and like buy it right away. So that 0.55 one just got bought already. 0.4. So you could scoop this one. I bought 2 devil ones, so I'm not gonna. But that's what I'm saying. Like, see, now it's gone. And then if you want to like scalp and just not hold the project for a really long time, you could go list that one right now for like point whatever you want. This magic unicorn looks kind of rare. What's it called? The unicorn helmet. Oh wow. A lot of rare headpieces, it looks like. Skull tank. Oh, that's what it means. Alien, devil, skull. I guess I can put on sad. Might as well. Because there's so few of them already. So this is how I do it, basically. So I didn't get a mint very many of these, right? Like I minted 3 or something, and the mint lasted for so long. It was up for like 7 minutes, but I had just gotten home. But I was able to buy some at like 0.3. Mint was 0.25, so it's basically like you're minting more, but you get to pick what they look like. 0.55, that'll probably get sold quick. So like I got to buy all these at like 0.3. Also, I just saw that this one has that soul necklace. Got to buy all these at like 0.3, and they're all more rare ones. So sometimes you're like, oh, someone got it before me. Sometimes you're better off just waiting for secondary, you know? These are kind of cute though. I'm trying to read the chat, but I'm also trying to keep an eye on this because you really have to just act immediately. But now because I'm telling you guys all this. Also look at that. The floor for devil is 1 soul. And we bought them at, okay, now there's one at 0.8. But we bought them at 0.3. That 0.8 one just got bought already. Oh my gosh. So this floor is basically 2 buys from 1. What do I have in here left? We got 0.8. Let's just buy this scale. Well, nah, we'll wait. We'll wait. Someone's gonna puke something. Okay, it looks like you guys think this is helpful, so that's good. I want one more. One more rare one. Is this quick flip or a hold? Probably reassess tomorrow or something. Because they literally had like 800 followers or something like that. Like it was super low key. So I think as people learn about it, we're going to see some people FOMO in. And so my plan is kind of hold for at least a few days and see what happens. Have no idea why these things have value. Yeah. Because we say they do. Honestly. This one's pretty epic. It is cool that you guys have like seen this in action and work, basically. Like today, just now. Like we got these two devil ones for 0.3. And the devil floor is like 1. As long as that one at 0.7. Yeah, the devil floor is 1. And this fire background I think is kind of rare. And whatever this dino, what do they call it? Dinosaur helmet headpiece. Let's see. Alright, let me clear this. See what they say about the dino helmet. What the floor is like there. 0.45. Not super high, but you know. I don't know why this guy's stuck here. Once again, guys. Wait, why is this? This is glitching on me a little. We'll refresh. Body. What? What does this mean? This is messed up. DJ sent me these. These look kind of rare, bro. The rainbow crown looks rare. That looks rare, and it's the skeleton one. And then the fire background. Let's see what the rainbow crown is at. Bro, there's like none of these. Let's go. Should I wait on this to see if someone lists one for like 1? Solana gradient background, 0.66. See, so stuff like this, you can kind of look at what... Does one of mine have that? No. You can kind of see what's rare, what attributes and traits... Oh, it's face, not body. Oh. Thank you. What's this one at? 0.4. So that's a scoop. Alright, we got it. Because we've seen the price for these be at 1. And we just scooped it for point. So if you guys want to see a flip, do they have a rarity thing out yet? Probably not. I would guess. But I could probably list one of these. I could probably list one of these devil ones for like 0.88 and it would probably sell pretty quick. Killing it with cause. I like it. See, devil floor is officially 1 soul. So that one for 0.98 got bought. So I got 0.4 left in this wallet. We sent, what did I say? We sent 2 SOL to this wallet. And so it could be fun to track what these all sell for later. Oh, that was a sad one or whatever. the Sad Eyes for 0.4. Picked up a gradient bandana. No idea if it's rare, but only 2 listed. Gives you a decent idea. But yeah, guys, this is how you got a devil for 0.35. Nice work, Cody. So if you like don't care about the project long term, which like I don't blame you. I don't really know anything about this one other than that the monkey Dow is bullish on it. Like if you don't really care about it long term and you buy something for 0.3, you can turn around and sell it for point. Like if you got a devil for 0.3, you could turn around and sell it for 0.9 like immediately. So yeah, Sad Eyes does seem to be the most rare. Also, it's interesting that they call them Generation 1. I don't know what that means. Like I said, my I don't even remember what I was gonna say. That's what I get for multitasking. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Let's do some TA. Oh, Nifty Nanas went live. Let's go buy some. Oh, this looks red. Looks rare to me. I need to save this one. This is hilarious. I thought I followed you already, Wassifier. Oh no. Back. No. I just misclicked on the Sad Eyes. This is mine. Oh, someone got it. See, guys, this is what you got to do. Someone just scooped that for 0.3. Floor is 1. Oh, how did I miss it? I'm so bitter. I don't have an alien yet, so that would have been great. Did one of you guys scoop that alien? I would actually be kind of proud if you did, but I will I'm going to do some more due diligence into this project later. This is mine. Oh, it's 0.7. Never mind. That's out of our price range, guys. And that wasn't even that low below the floor. I want stuff for 0.4 or less. Do you guys remember? Did I put in 2 soul? I guess I could look. Yeah, received 2 soul. Alright. This looks kind of rare. Do you guys want more NFT scalping? 0.4, 0.4. Nope. It'll probably get bought quick though. Sorry if I'm not reading the chat as much as usual. I need to be diligent with my refreshes. Wait, are these sad eyes? I don't think they are. I think they're just alien eyes. Where's eyes? Oh, blank. But that would likely be a rare combo. More NFT scalping. Alright, we'll do a little bit more. If I get one more. This guy looks kind of rare. Oh, there. If I get one more, then we'll call it good. And next stream we can talk about how the how this wallet is progressing. Should we do a 2 soul to 100 soul challenge? Put 2 soul into these guys, flip them, mint some other stuff. That'd be kind of fun, actually. 2 to 100. Should we do it? NFTA streamer. Can't talk now. I got nanas to buy. Looks rare. 0.45. I don't think I have enough. No. We have 0.43. I should have transferred more. Oh well. It got bought. Hope one of you guys got it. Wow. Standoff. I know you're watching, but you're also in the Discord. Got this one. That looks pretty rare. Man, that really was a good deal. $2 to 100 soul challenge. That would be kind of fun. Someone from the Discord got that skeleton with the Viking hat. Naruko. I'm glad it was someone from the Discord and not some random guy. That's what I get for only transferring to. Aaron, that's you. Well, you better change your YouTube PFP to a gecko. Should I buy this? 0.65. Nope. Oh, give me that. 0.6. Nope. They're getting bought though. So these are pretty quickly getting bought. Give me these sad. Ah, dang it. Sad eyes, gradient background. Are you kidding me? I had to refresh. Oh. Kazdow taking over Nanas. Who got that sad eyes gradient background? Was that one of you guys? How much was mint? It was 0.25, yeah. I'm just filtering by the rarest faces, basically. Because I feel like that's the most, like, recognizable trait. Like, that's why I was buying neon black and white geckos when they first launched. Surprised no one's bought this one yet. For 0.6. Sombrero guy. Sombrero devil. I don't even know what some of these, but what's frog body? This is a frog body and it's a rare face, whatever. It is hard to tell that the frog body is like, it's hard to distinguish those very much, you know? Yes, that PFP is better. You dudes selling or holding? Right now we're just holding them. At least that's what I'm doing. I want us to snipe one more deal, and then we'll either move on to something else. Well, I mean, eventually we'll sell them. I don't plan to go to my grave with these nanas. The Pistons are playing right now. But Cade Cunningham's hurt, so... Alright, maybe I'll just... How do I know what's rare? Well, one tip you can get is seeing, like, how many of something are listed. That gives you a rough idea. 0.6. So here, for all the faces, I scrolled to the bottom and saw Devil, Alien, Skull, and Sad had the fewest listings. So that gives me a pretty good idea that they are more rare. And then I like to pick out traits that seem to have, like, that are very easily recognizable. Like, that stands out a lot, you know? So I feel like face is one of them. This one looks kind of sick. Alright, maybe we should move on with our lives. Check this tomorrow. 200 people in here, and we're just all constantly refreshing this. 5.75, that's a good deal. I bet it gets bought pretty quick. There it goes. Alright, let's see what's going on in the market. I mean, I guess we kind of talked about our plans for the most part. I don't really have anything for Ethereum right now. I guess kind of similar to Bitcoin. If it does something like this, then we'll look for longs. Kind of like how we want to see Bitcoin go down to here. So it's honestly either pullback or flip some more resistance or something. The Nana people are in here. Alright, it looks like these are going back up a little. You kind of do have to be constantly refreshing to get some steals. But whatever. Yeah, so for Ethereum and Bitcoin, I'd look for pullbacks to around 3,675 or so, and for Bitcoin like 58K. That's this level here, this weekly SR. We might not get that, but if we do, like when I say this, I'm not saying like, oh, I think this is gonna pull back to this level. I'm saying if it does, then I would long. It's a if-then type of thing. If that makes sense. And then Sol, I mean, pretty much just managing this position. We've taken some profit off, but if you kind of just look at this, looks like it's just consolidating here before the next leg up. And I'll be watching this high to take some more profit, and then this one. So those are kind of the last two TPs for now. I mean, we'll see what happens. It doesn't mean it won't go higher, but how many do I want to get of the nanas? I was just going to I minted 3, and then I was going to put another 2 Sol into it, so a total of like 2.75 Sol. So I mean, nothing crazy at all, but get a little exposure in case they go to like a few soul floor, something like that, you know? But yeah, the thing with these nanas is that they still have like no follow, like it's still so low key, right? 990 followers. So I don't know. It just kind of, it gives off the vibe of the type of project that you could see doing really well. Just like that cute look. They look solid as a profile picture. Things like that. Oh, let's go. Crystals went live. Still very, very bullish on the geckos. We love the geckos. But yeah, Sol just looks like it's consolidating. If I had to bet, I would say it pushes up from here. So, what city do I live in? I probably won't say that on stream. Do I have a monkey? I don't, but I'll probably buy one soon. Yeah, I'll get one. I mixed up Explode Face and Devil and bought it. Oh man. Yeah, sometimes that happens because you just have to go so fast. Scooped 3, no problem. Hope you got some cool rare ones. Rolly Oli in the Discord just told me I should have had auto approve on, which I agree. This one's probably a good deal. Crystals aren't live yet soon? Okay. If they were live, we might have been able to I could have got some on stream. I think I'm going to get like 8 crystals. What's Explode Face? Do they look that similar? Oh. I think I did that too. Blank base. Faces explode. Huh. They look very similar, don't they? Devil. Explode. I think I bought one of those, actually. This one. That's an explode, I would say. Gotta be Toronto. I don't live in Toronto, but that's a nice place. What the F is wrong with me? I don't really know how to answer that. What do I use to trade? I use Bybit. You can check that link in the description. Alright, well, hey, maybe Explode Face will trade around the same premium because it looks the same. But yeah, I guess I also made that error. What was I going to look up? Oh yeah, the fire background. What are those doing? 0.4? Looks kind of rare. Two to 100 soul ended because I bought a Explode Face. Oh well. No, I think it'll be fine. Yes, I'll look at B&B. Am I blind? Right here. Wow. That was some alpha. Learned a lot. Thanks for the stream. No problem, man. If you're not in the Discord yet, I'll be posting that link soon. Well, if this plan plays out or these pull back, I would look for BNB. Probably see if it takes out this low, but that's kind of a deep pullback. It might just take out these, either something like this and then reclaim that. That could work. This is a nice range here. You got this deviation there. Let's see if it holds the range high, but it might push below to stop some people out. So that's probably what I'd look for. DYDX. This is just consolidating. I was saying last stream it's bullish as long as it holds this level, but not much to update there. So, floor's going down a little bit, but I don't think it's too worrisome. Should we show Twitter some of the nanas that we got? Alright guys, I'm dropping a Discord invite for those of you that hung around. The Discord is no longer, I mean, it's public, but I'm not letting just anyone join because we're trying to make a more tight-knit community. So I rarely post invite links, but I'm going to do it now in the Discord or in the chat. So feel free to hop in the Discord if you care enough to view these streams. Then I feel like you would be a good addition to the free Discord and would add value. So I'll show Twitter my nanas once, which also, that sounds really goofy to say, once I end the stream. But appreciate you guys tuning in. Once again, shout out to Bybit, shout out to Trader Joe. And if you guys are in crypto, like I said at the beginning, you need a VPN. I think NordVPN is the best one out there, and with the link in the description, it's the best deal I've found. So up to you guys, but if you do want to support the stream, you can do so by signing up for a NordVPN. Verification bot broken, question mark? I hope not. Is it working for you guys? I think you just click the little check mark. Drop a link. I did. I sent it above. Just click the check mark. If that's not working, VPN for what? To protect your privacy. Okay, you got through. Cool. Proton VPN, is that one better? Oh well. I used to use ExpressVPN. I don't think it's broken. I think it takes a second. Watch and Learn said it worked. Oh yeah, you guys broke it. It's not my fault. I think you might just need to be patient with it. Alright fam, appreciate you guys tuning in. I will, maybe I'll record a video tomorrow or something. This stream was supposed to be yesterday, but I wanted to do 3 streams this week because I missed one last week because I was traveling, but then I missed the one yesterday because I was traveling. So oh boy. If I had to guess, haha. The live charting works, fam. Yeah, the chat is super delayed. Okay. I'm glad it's working for you guys. Also, good to see soul pumping. But yeah, I wanted to get 3 streams in this week, so if I have some time, I might do something tomorrow. Maybe just record a video, though, if it's going to be brief. But, all right. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed the NFT and TA stream. Have a good one. Peace.